Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. We learned صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم in our previous lesson. In this lesson we will learn غير المغضوب. So repeat after me. غير المغضوب Again. غير المغضوب غير المغضوب. Excellent. Put them together. غير المغضوب For the last time. غير المغضوب Fabulous. It was a holiday, so the teacher took all the letters for an exciting horse riding trip. She asked all the students to wear a special hat for horse riding. That is called the Dhamma hat. What is it called, children? The Dhamma hat. Very good. All the letters were riding their baby horses. How are you doing? And started to sing this song.
Mubu wufu out from the lips, tongue has many, twelve from the tip. Zu zu zu, du du du, zu su su, lu lu lu. From the middle are do, shoo you. From the edges are do, go who. Six from the throat, ooh, hoo, ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo.
We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. So, buckle up and let's go and learn how to recite Quran properly. Huwa, huwa, huwa. Children, make sure that you do not make a mistake by saying huwa. It is wrong. And also don't say huwa. It is wrong. But the proper way to say that is huwa. Listen again. Huwa. Huwa means he. The next word has only an addition of wa, which means and. Wa, hu, wa. Wa, huwa. Do not say wa, hu, wa. It is wrong. And also don't say wa, hu, wa. It is wrong. But the proper way to say that is wa, hu, wa. Wa, huwa. Listen again. Wa, huwa. And it means and he. Well, guess what? The next word we have is, instead of wa, now we have fa. Fa, hu, wa. Fa, huwa. Do not make a mistake by stretching extra on fa, huwa. It is wrong. But the proper way to say that is fa, huwa. Also, do not say fa, huwa. Make sure you say fa, huwa. Listen very carefully. Listen again. Fa, huwa. The meaning of fa, huwa is thus he. The next word we have is walahu. Walahu. Very good. Now, remember, we should not make a mistake by stretching on wa, la, hu. It is wrong. but you have to say it properly. وَلَهُ وَلَهُ. The meaning of وَلَهُ is and for him or for it. The next word we have is مَثَلُ. مَثَلُ. The wrong way to say that is مَثَلُ. مَثَلُ. Both of them are wrong, but the proper way to say that is مَثَلُ. I hope that you are following along properly with us. The meaning of مَثَلُ is like or example. The next word we have is نَارُ. نَارُ. Do not say نَارُ. It is wrong. The proper way is نَارُ, and نَارُ means fire. And now we have another word that sounds كُتِبَ. كُتِبَ. كُتِبَ is wrong, but كُتِبَ is right. كُتِبَ, again, that is wrong, but كُتِبَ is right. Listen again. كُتِبَ. كُتِبَ means prescribed. The next word we have is جُنَاحُ. جُنَاحُ. Do not say جُنَاحُ. That is wrong. جُنَاحُ. That is also wrong. But the right way is جُنَاحُ. جُنَاحُ. جُنَاحُ means sin. The next word we have is صَالِحُ. صَالِحُ. Do not say صَالِحُ. It is wrong, but it is صالح. 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 Well, صالح is the name of Prophet Salih alayhi salam. The next word we have is مَتَاعُ. مَتَاعُ. Do not say مَتَاعُ. It is wrong. مَتَاعُ. That is also wrong. But the proper way to say that is مَتَاعُ. Listen again. مَتَاعُ. مَتَاعُ means provision, and also it means enjoyment. The next word we have is رُسُلُ. رُسُلُ. Do not say رُسُلُ. It is wrong, but say رُسُلُ. Listen again. رُسُلُ. رُسُلُ means messengers. The next word for our lesson is عَاقِبَةُ. 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 Wrong. عَاقِبَةُ is also wrong, but عَاقِبَةُ. عَاقِبَةُ is right. عَاقِبَةُ means end, outcome. Let's learn how to write Arabic, and it's a lot of fun. But you have to remember one thing, that if you make a small mistake, then it's going to change the meanings in a very big way. So be careful and take up the challenge. Learn how to write Arabic. So let me show you the first word for today, which is huwa. I take my board and I have my marker. Let me start. Hu, the dhamma u, and the fatha. Again, I start, and we have the fatha. So again, we start. Why don't you try, take a pen and a paper and start practicing ha and wa. So huwa, huwa, hu, wa. Wonderful job. Now let me show you the second word for today, which is fahuwa. What is it? I can't hear you. Is everybody with me? Come on, I'm gonna try one more time. Is everybody with me? Yes, that's more like it. So, fa, let's write the fa, and the fatha, fa. We start with the wa, fa huwa, fahuwa, fa. We start and we have the wa, we have the dhamma, and we have the fatha. It's your turn. Why don't you take your pen and a paper? Fa, hu, wa. Excellent. I want exactly for all of you to practice like that, and I'm sure that very soon you'll learn how to write big words, inshallah. إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونؤمن به ونتوكل عليه ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا. I'm sure that you have been to the masjid on Jum'ah with your dad. And this sounds like a Jum'ah khutbah, especially at the start. And do you know what it means? Well, don't worry. Come with me and learn Arabic with actions. Minhu means from him. Minhum means from them. Minhu means from him. Minhum means from them. Again, minhu from him, minhum from them. It's your turn to say it in Arabic now. Minhu minhum, minhu minhum. Again, minhu minhum. Last time, minhu minhum. Excellent. Now repeat with me. Minhu minhum, minhu minhum. Again, minhu minhum, minhu minhum. Last time, minhu minhum. MashaAllah. Excellent. Wow, children, I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time. And I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.